We often hear about peak oil, warnings of dwindling reserves, images of dusty plains devoid of this precious resource. But what if these fears are unfounded? What if beneath our feet a silent replenishment is occurring? For decades, we've treated oil as a finite resource, a ticking time bomb of energy. This perception, however understandable, is incomplete. It overlooks a fundamental truth. Oil's origins lie not in the fossilized remains of dinosaurs, as is commonly believed, but in a continuous geological process deep within our planet. This process, while slow, is unwavering, constantly generating the hydrocarbons we rely upon. It's time to shift our perspective, to see oil not as a dwindling inheritance, but as a gift that, with mindful stewardship, could fuel our world for generations to come. Deep within the Earth's mantle, under immense pressure and heat, a transformation occurs. Carbon, a fundamental building block of life, bonds with hydrogen, forming hydrocarbons, the basis of oil and natural gas. These hydrocarbons, lighter than surrounding rock, gradually migrate upwards through porous layers, eventually pooling in reservoirs. This process, known as abiogenic petroleum formation, challenges the traditional view of oil as a solely fossil fuel. While the timescale of this process is vast, measured in millennia, it underscores a crucial point. Oil is not a static, finite resource. The Earth itself is constantly generating new supplies. Why, then, the widespread belief in oil's scarcity? The answer lies partly in history. The discovery of vast oil reserves in the 19th and 20th centuries led to an understandable but ultimately flawed assumption of abundance. As we consumed this readily available oil, fears of depletion naturally arose. These fears were exacerbated by geopolitical tensions, market fluctuations, and the very real environmental impact of fossil fuel extraction and use. However, these factors, while significant, don't negate the underlying reality. Oil is constantly being replenished. Just as our ancestors couldn't have foreseen the technological advancements that fueled our current oil consumption, so too do we lack the full picture of future energy landscapes. This is not to downplay the environmental challenges associated with oil. Climate change is a pressing concern, and transitioning to cleaner energy sources remains paramount. However, recognizing oil's renewable nature allows for a more nuanced approach. We can strive for sustainable extraction methods, minimizing environmental impact while investing in renewable energy research and development. The Earth, in its immense and ancient wisdom, provides. By understanding the true nature of oil, by shedding outdated assumptions and embracing innovation, we can ensure a future where energy abundance and environmental responsibility go hand in hand.